Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding ASCII Values in Python, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, is a character encoding standard used to represent text in computers and other devices. Each character is assigned a unique numeric value, known as its ASCII value. In Python, you can explore and manipulate ASCII values using built-in functions. This tutorial aims to provide a comprehensive guide to understanding and working with ASCII values in Python. 1. ASCII Basics. ASCII values are integer representations of characters. The ORD function in Python can be used to obtain the ASCII value of a character. Here's a simple example. This will output to convert ASCII to character. Conversely, you can use the chr function to convert an ASCII value back to its corresponding character. Output 3. Working with strings. To find the ASCII values of all characters in a string, you can use a loop. This will display the ASCII values for each character in the string. 4. ASCII art. ASCII values can be creatively used to generate ASCII art. By mapping ASCII values to characters, you can create interesting patterns. Here's a basic example. Output 5. Manipulating ASCII values. You can perform arithmetic operations on ASCII values for various purposes, such as encryption or simple transformations. Output. Conclusion. Understanding ASCII values in Python is essential for working with characters and strings. The ORD and chr functions, along with basic arithmetic operations, provide a powerful toolkit for manipulating ASCII values. Explore further to unleash the creative potential of ASCII art and practical applications in your Python projects. ChatGPT.